at White House Machine Tools, and quite honestly, I have never seen Gio as excited over a machine ever, to be honest.
Well, Lindsay, there's a lot to be excited about with this machine. Effectively, you've got a vertical lathe, a fifth axis machine, a robot solution, all in one.
Yes.
And the capabilities are phenomenal.
Okay, we'll find out about the machine, but technically what happens, you get your billet, you put it on the top here. Now, it doesn't matter which angle you put the billet because it's got a vision system inside that goes in. The robot will then pick that up and it puts it straight onto the table over here. Gio, this is a high production, fast machine, isn't it? Reliable and accurate.
It certainly is, with a positional accuracy of less than 3 microns. You've got turning capability. Now, on the C-axis, you can turn to 1500 RPM with increased torque on this third edition. You've got 4+1 fifth axis capability, and the spindle speed goes up to 16,000 RPM, and the acceleration is in half a second from 0 to 16,000 RPM.
Okay, but that is fast, right? But there's more torque on this machine. There's more power on this machine. Is that right?
It is, Lindsay. So now we've just seen the turning operation actually, and it's rectangular billet, as you can see. Now they're turning with a boring bar, and it's intermittent cutting, and there's no messing about. I mean, the chips were flying off, weren't they, Lindsay? The capabilities of this machine, so effectively you're turning, milling, automating, no manual intervention required apart from putting the billets on the conveyor. And how simple is that as well?
Oh, it is so simple. Let's go round to that because we know it's a powerful machine. It's a fast machine. It's churning the parts off. And I mean, we were just watching it. The chip to chip time is something like 1.5 seconds. It's fast all round, isn't it?
Chip to chip time, 1.5 seconds, as you mentioned. BBT holders, BBT 30 holders, very stable, accurate, eliminating any vibration. Then you come to look at the automation side, you've got an increased payload now as well.
Right.
So this has been also improved to 20 kg in total, 10 kg per side.
Of course, yeah, because it's 10 kg per side. And then it doesn't matter, as I said before, which angle you put it on. As you go down now, you can have a longer conveyor as well. So if you wanted to leave it overnight, just depends on how long the cycle times are that you're needing, then you've got that too. So you're really looking for the unmanned run here, aren't you?
Absolutely, and also the strategy of Brother. You know, it's a Japanese made machine, very reliable, as you mentioned, but they have got a different strategy completely. So it's all that low, small cut, very fast feeds and speeds, which ultimately give you their metal removal rates that give you that productivity gain that everyone's looking for.
I'm going to quiz you now then, Gio, just to finalise, who wants this machine, who's it aimed at, and why is it so good?
Well, in my opinion, everyone that's looking to do high volume work. I mean, if you're looking to make money in manufacturing, you need a machine like this. It's simple as that, really, Lynn.
So basically, you've got the Feedio feeding the Speedio, because the Speedio is so fast with speed, it needs a machine to feed it, yeah?
Absolutely, 100%.
Thanks, Gio.